How to sign up for the Namecheap affiliate program. Hey guys, if you're looking to monetize your online presence and make some extra income, you are in the right place. Today we are going to guide you through the process of signing up for the Namecheap affiliate program. Namecheap is a well-known domain registrar and hosting provider, and becoming their affiliate can be a great way to earn commission. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, let me give you a quick overview of what the Namecheap affiliate program is all about. As a Namecheap affiliate, you can promote their domain registration and hosting services, and for every sale you refer, you'll earn a commission. It's an excellent opportunity for bloggers, marketers, and website owners. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Once on the Namecheap affiliate program page, take a moment to explore the details of the program. Learn about the commission structure, payment methods, and any specific requirement. Make sure it aligns with your goals. Then you need to click on Apply Now. You can enroll in any of them. Let's enroll in Impact Radius. Click the Sign In button to initiate the sign up process. Here you can read the Namecheap contract and terms. Once you have read them, you need to click on Accept. By clicking Accept, you confirm that you have read, understand, acknowledged, and accept the Namecheap Master Campaign Agreement PDF, and you agree to bound by them. If yes, click on Accept. You can sign up with email, or you can also create an account by using Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn account. Let's continue with Google. You'll be directed to the Namecheap affiliate application form. Here you'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, email, address, and contact details. Be sure to provide accurate information. Once you've completed all the necessary fields and accepted the terms, click on Get Started button to send your affiliate application. Now it's time to wait for Namecheap to review your application. The approval process can take a bit of time, but you will receive an email notification once your application is approved. Once approved, you will receive an email from Namecheap with instruction on how to access your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find unique affiliate tracking links, banners, and other resources to help you promote Namecheap. Congratulations! You are now a Namecheap affiliate. You can start promoting their domain and hosting services with a unique affiliate link and earn commission for each sale you refer. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing for more affiliate marketing tips and tutorials. If you have any question or need any further assistance, feel free to leave them in comment sections below. Best of luck with your affiliate journey, and as always, happy promoting.